Today's lesson is about using English for phone conversations, especially when you need to take a message or ask someone to wait. These expressions help you sound calm, clear, and polite when answering calls, speaking to customers, or talking to colleagues. Taking messages is an important part of professional communication. It helps when the person someone is calling is not available. Recording the message accurately ensures no important information is lost. It also shows politeness and helps everyone save time. Clear messages keep communication running smoothly. When answering calls, there are several polite phrases that help the conversation flow easily. You can say, "Can I take a message?" Or, "Would you like to leave a message?" If you need a short pause, say, "Hold on, please." When you finish, say, "I will let them know you called." These expressions are short and professional, and they make communication easier for both sides. Here is one clear way to take a message correctly. First, begin with a polite greeting. Second, explain kindly that the person they want to speak with is unavailable. Third, offer to take a message with a phrase like, "Can I take a message?" Next, ask for important details such as the name, phone number, and reason for calling. Finally, repeat the information to confirm accuracy before ending the call. There are some expressions that show good manners and clear understanding on the phone. You can ask, "May I ask who is calling, please?" Or, "He is not available right now." If you did not catch the name, you can ask, "Could you spell your name, please?" After writing down the message, say, "I will make sure she gets your message." These small details help you sound professional and confident. When taking a message, you must collect the right details carefully. Ask the caller politely for their name by saying, "May I have your name, please?" Then, ask for their phone number. If it is for a business call, confirm which company they are calling from. Finally, ask for the best time for them to receive a call back. Always speak clearly, listen carefully, and repeat the information if needed. Before ending the call, it is important to confirm what you wrote down. You can say, "Let me repeat that back to you," or confirm by saying, "So your number is 5554729, correct?" Then add, "I will make sure they get your message." Repeating important details helps you avoid mistakes and shows that you gave full attention to the caller. Sometimes you need to check information or transfer the call. In such cases, ask the caller to wait politely. You can say, "Hold on please," or "Just a moment please," or "One moment, I will check." These phrases tell the caller that you are working on their request and respect their time. Never leave silence on the line. Always speak with a kind and calm tone. If you are unable to help the caller directly, remain polite and professional. Say, "I am afraid he is not available right now." Then offer, "Would you like to leave a message?" Finally, assure the caller by saying, "I will make sure they receive your message." Even if you cannot solve the issue immediately, you can leave a positive impression through clear, kind communication. Let us review the key ideas from this topic. Offer politely by saying, "Can I take a message?" Ask for details clearly and confirm them. Use waiting phrases like, "Hold on please," and always repeat key information before finishing the call. Practice these phrases aloud until they feel natural. With practice, you will sound confident and professional every time you answer the phone.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.